The dawn of September 2nd, 1666, was ordinary in London. The air was moist and filled with the silent promise of a typical Sunday. As the city nestled under the soft embrace of early morning fog, its inhabitants had little foresight of the disaster looming. Yet, it was Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane that would become the epicenter of a catastrophic event. As the clock approached midnight, the bakery was calm. Farriner and his household had settled in for the night, their usual routines finished. However, during the early hours, sparks from the oven ignited wooden surroundings, and the fire began its relentless journey. Flames licked their way through stored timber and flour sacks, and before long, the bakery was engulfed, sending fiery tendrils across the street. Awakened by the chaos, Farriner and his family narrowly escaped through an upstairs window, leaving the inferno to its own devices. The fire's appetite was voracious, consuming buildings with alarming alacrity, fueled by the wooden infrastructure that dominated the cityscape. The winds carried fiery embers further, igniting the district with ominous eagerness. The panic-stricken cries of citizens filled the air, prompting a frenetic attempt at salvation. But London's firefighting capabilities were woefully inadequate. The medieval city lacked organized fire brigades, and citizens relied on simple buckets passed hand to hand to quell the hungry flames. Meanwhile, Mayor Sir Thomas Bloodworth hesitated, famously remarking that a woman could piss it out, underestimating the impending devastation. Within hours, the fire had gained ground, leaping over gaps and dispatching structures with vengeful fury. Attempts to create fire breaks by demolishing buildings were belatedly accepted as necessary, but by then, the inferno traversed lazily along its chosen path. Heavy timber elements in homes and tar-on streets made ripe fodder for the blaze. The destruction was indiscriminate. The flames respected neither wealth nor poverty, nor spared landmarks of historic or social significance. Emmanuel Church, St. Paul's Cathedral, and countless homes of Londoners became mere ashes, stories lost forever. The blaze burned ferociously, spanning 4 days. Its aftermath revealed staggering ruins, over 13,000 homes and nearly 100 churches annihilated. Although the number of lives lost was surprisingly small, the psychological impact was profound. It marked a transformation in London's architectural approach, urging a shift from timber to stone and brick, giving rise to a reborn urban landscape. Londoners, faced with the echoes of their past and a future to rebuild, found resilience in adversity. The city's recovery was a testament to human determination and engineering, and the Great Fire became a somber yet significant chapter in history, forever reshaping London's soul.